absolutely killing it, earning 24% every 28 days on our USDT. So let's just take a quick look at the Bitnest homepage right now. We've got almost 2.2 million participants. There's 812 million participant income. That's on its way to 1 billion. That's a big number. And you've got liquidity is back over 36 million. This thing is absolutely killing it and has been doing so for around 2 years. I've personally been in almost 6 months myself, and it's been an absolute joy. So if we go over to the Loop page, it's my favorite page where all the magic happens, you can see the Bitnest Loop circulation tab here. So this is where you'd input your USDT on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can decide if you want to cycle it for 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. I'm just hooked on the 28 days right now. That is not a long time in DeFi, in my opinion. That's well within my risk tolerance. I'm not going to be doing any more long-term lockups in DeFi. I've been stung a couple of times, won't be doing it again. No more 250 days, no more 300 days. This is 28 days. I'm happy with that risk. So all I would need to do is just type in how much I want to circulate. So let's use 1,000 USDT as an example. If you put that in for 1 day, you'd make $4. You put that in for 7 days, you make $40. 14 days, $95. And 28 days, $240. I've done this so many times, and I like to put in a little something every single day. So what was the last time I put something in? So that was about 2 days ago, 134 in. So let's just do a little one now. Let's do $25 right now, and you can see I'll make $31 within that 28 days. So all I'm going to do is go circulation and approve that. Lovely. So let's just scroll down here and you can see $25. There we go. And the 28-day timer is underway. So I've got loads of these loops going through. As I said before, I do try and do something every day. If I miss one, I just do a little bit more on the next time I do a deposit. So it's super simple. Mr. Wilkins is kicking off. Must be someone at the door. Mrs. Millions can deal with that. So if we take a look over here on the BitLoop introduction, it'll give you a bit of information on how this all works. There is loads of info on this site, so I'm not going to read through all of it. It will take me all day, but let's just sort of highlight a little bit here for just a quick outline on how this all works. Through decentralized technology, Bitnest Loop smart contracts do not require credit scores or complex review processes. Instead, they use algorithms to automatically match supply and demand, providing efficient global asset allocation while ensuring transparency, security, and fairness for both parties involved, maximizing profit potential for both parties. Bitnest Loop provides users with an efficient and transparent asset management and income distribution method through a smart contract leasing agreement developed on the blockchain. In this agreement, users can take on the roles of either the asset providers or the asset users. So I'm in the position of asset provider. Well, I'm providing my USDT into the pool where others can use that to borrow against their collateralized assets. So asset providers, they deposit USDT crypto assets in the protocol to provide liquidity to the platform and earn fixed dividends through smart contracts. And the asset users, who we're supplying it to, lease the USDT through an agreement and pledge other cryptocurrencies such as BTC and ETH to meet liquidity needs for other purposes, paying a fixed profit as the cost of use. So all of this is baked in. As soon as you provide a loop on Bitnest, everything is already pre-calculated through the smart contracts and it's all done automatically. So if we scroll down a little bit further, we can just see some of the unique highlights here. BitLoop uses a distributed and decentralized circulation return method to run automatically. When users store USDT in BitLoop smart contracts, the contract will automatically run and return. And the other thing here is decentralization. So the BitLoop smart contract, there is no owner or manager. It's all been deployed as a smart contract and runs independently from the time the deployment is completed. No one can tamper with it, even the founders and developers, who can only participate in it as ordinary users because smart contracts are inherently irreversible. So as I said before, you can come over here and read through so much information if you want to get a bit of a better idea. And remember guys, there is no barrier to entry with this. You can come in literally with $1 to see how it all works. If you want to just dip your feet a little bit or just chuck in 100 or whatever, you can see it will just tell you exactly what you're going to get back. Depending on your risk tolerance, you can put in whatever you want to put in. So I came in, I think my first big deposit was about $3,000. That made me $720 in 28 days. And I've been playing pretty much with risk capital since the first month or two. So it's been an absolute pleasure being in Bitnest. And don't forget, if you try Bitnest out, you enjoy it and you share your link to other people, there's up to 17 generations of downline you can earn some pretty nice affiliate rewards. So I will leave my link in the pinned comment if you want to support the channel, and you can rest assured I'll love you a long time if you do. So Bitnest